I am so curious, what are your thoughts on a Chicago hot dog? Have you actually had a Chicago hot dog with all their specialty toppings? Well, I actually haven't, but I am gonna make something that is just like a Chicago hot dog, but it's in casserole form. It's a Chicago hot dog bubble up. I made this one up and I can't wait to show you what it looks like. Grab a baking dish and give it a spray. We need a can of jumbo biscuits, and we're gonna cut those biscuits up into that bottom of that baking dish. So this biscuit basically represents the bun of the hot dog. Now, if you get a real Chicago hot dog, they give you a poppy seed bun. What you can do is you could sprinkle some poppy seeds on top. I chopped a white onion. This is gonna get sprinkled on top. Next, you need your chopped dogs. Put those on. Next, we need some pickles and some relish and some sliced tomato. One important thing of a Chicago hot dog are these sport peppers. Let's put some of those on top. Next, you sprinkle on some celery salt. And then you're gonna squeeze on some yellow mustard. I'm gonna cook this in a 375-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Chicago hot dog bubble up. I love the heat from those peppers. The pickle's so good. It's definitely less messy than a hot dog. But overall, it's pretty tasty. I'll give it a 7.0 out of 10. Why did the hot dog go to the gym? To get better buns.